How to make the camera shake in Davinci Resolve. So there are two types of shakes. There's the transition shake and there is the normal shake. Let's say you want to transition between these two video clips. They're the same clip, but let's at least do that. Now just go to the toolbox and find the camera shake. So I'm just gonna go a bit down because I know it's somewhere around here. It's right here, and just place it between the two video transitionings. So that's how it should look like. We can select this and then go to the transition, and from here you can basically edit the shake speed. So this is very slow. And that looks nice. You can add a little bit of motion blur to it, add some quality. You can make it a bit longer like that. And there you go, you've transitioned into another frame. Now the other type of shake effect that I was talking about is just the normal one. So let's just do this, and let's say we want this part of the video to shake. So what you want to do is go to the Open Effects and just type in shake. And then simply add it to the video that you want to shake. So the default presets are basically this. As you can see, it's just shaking a little bit. We can go to the effects and turn up the motion scale. So this is how far the motion goes with the shake. And as you can see, if the motion is too high, if it's moving around too much, you're gonna start seeing black bars. So what that basically is simply the shake being too large and literally running out of video resolution to cover up. So the way that you would fix that is, well, let's first change up the speed. So it's like that. There's speed. Well, the way that you would fix these black bars is by going all the way down here, get this zoom to crop and just turn it up just enough so that you don't see the black bars. Now, if I set it to 0, they're quite noticeable. If I turn it up just a bit more than it was by default, which is 0.05, we can't see the black bars anymore. And there you go. So if you turn up the pan altitude, it's also gonna do that. If you turn up the tilt altitude, it's also gonna do that. So if you're gonna do this, you might have to get the zoom to crop level a lot higher. So as you can see, we can still see the black bars and we can't see them anymore, I think. And there you go. That's how to make the camera shake in Davinci Resolve. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.